In our world, precision begins at the source.
Where every drop nurtures perfection and every growth is meticulously controlled.
Our commitment to hygiene is paramount, ensuring purity from the very first touch.
Every fruit, a testament to our unwavering standards of quality and environmental control. Advanced technology and human expertise combine to create the ideal growing conditions.
Harvesting is an art, performed with the utmost care to preserve every inch of freshness.
ибо никого годами обшитига не придонни стрескувания, и сяне в испольге чувствовать жизненного приста.
For our melons, a precise T-cut ensures optimal preservation, a signature of our quality.
Every harvest is a symphony of skilled hands, working in perfect harmony with nature and technology.
From the controlled environment of cultivation, our produce embarks on its next journey, safeguarding its integrity.
Immediate post-harvest cooling is critical, locking in the natural crispness and extending shelf life.
Each cucumber undergoes a gentle dry cleaning process, ensuring its surface remains unblemished.
Our rigorous grading process is where quality is not just maintained, but meticulously confirmed.
Only the finest, meeting our exacting standards, proceed to packaging, guaranteeing consistent excellence.
Our innovative packaging solutions are designed to protect and preserve, maintaining peak freshness.
Every product is meticulously labeled with a traceable QR code, offering transparency and accountability.
From our packing shed, the journey continues. Each step safeguarding the journey of freshness.
Even in storage, our produce is handled with expert care, ensuring optimal conditions.
Ready for distribution, our produce maintains its peak condition right to your doorstep. Every step, from cultivation to delivery, is a testament to our relentless pursuit of excellence.
From the water to the warehouse, freshness redefined.
Our technicians are the custodians of perfection, nurturing growth with unparalleled dedication.
Science and nature converge, constantly monitored to ensure optimal conditions for every plant.
Every element, from nutrient delivery to fruit development, is part of a precisely orchestrated process.
Preparation is key.
Every tool and container meets the highest standards of sterility.
Our experts know exactly when a cucumber reaches its peak, ensuring maximum flavor and crunch.
The delicate nature of our melons demands a touch of mastery, preserving their unique qualities.
Our greenhouse is a hub of activity, a testament to synchronized effort and bountiful yields. Innovation drives our process, ensuring a seamless journey from vine to packaging.
Temperature control is vital, precisely managed to preserve the intrinsic quality of each fruit.
Every cucumber is a masterpiece, undergoing meticulous inspection to ensure only the finest pass. Once graded, our premium produce moves swiftly to its protective casing, safeguarding its freshness. Our state-of-the-art packaging technology ensures airtight seals and optimal protection for every single fruit.
Each QR code is a digital fingerprint, providing complete traceability from farm to table. The seamless transition into our climate-controlled warehouse maintains the cold chain, ensuring peak freshness.
Storage is an exact science. Every pallet is placed with precision, awaiting its journey.
Before leaving our care, every consignment undergoes final digital verification, guaranteeing accuracy.
The integrity of our produce is maintained until the very last moment, ensuring it arrives as pristine as it left.
Every shipment is a promise of quality, delivered with unwavering commitment.
And so, our journey of freshness concludes its final leg, delivering nature's bounty to you. The cycle of excellence continues, a testament to our sustainable practices and commitment to quality.
Every element of growth is optimized, from the nutrients they receive to the light they bask in.
Our commitment to sterility is absolute, extending to every surface, every corner.
our operations are continuous, a seamless flow of precision and care.
Every movement within our facility is optimized for safety and product integrity.
Our logistics are meticulously planned, ensuring timely and efficient delivery every single time.
15 seconds until the next delivery. Optimized cold chain solutions, ready now.
Every component, every surface is prepared with the utmost care for the next wave of freshness.
Environmental control is not just a setting, it's a constant, meticulous calibration.
Our nutrient formulations are precisely tailored, a bespoke diet for optimal growth and vitality.
Water quality is the foundation of our hydroponic system, constantly monitored and perfected.
Our environmental data tells a story of unwavering stability, ensuring optimal conditions day in and day out.
Vigilance is our promise, ensuring every plant remains robust, healthy, and pristine.
Our meticulous preparation ensures that when the time comes, we are always ready for a perfect harvest.
Grown with attention to detail, right up until the moment of harvest.
Timing is everything, and our system ensures we harvest at the absolute pinnacle of perfection.
Each product's journey is a precise dance, guided by technology and attention to detail.
Automation enhances our precision, supporting our team in achieving unparalleled consistency.
Our traceability system is foolproof, providing confidence in every single purchase.
Every pallet finds its perfect resting place, maintained in ideal conditions until ready for dispatch.
The final seal represents our promise: uncompromising quality, delivered fresh.
Our journey is complete, but the freshness has just begun for you.
This is more than cultivation. It's a commitment to a new standard of fresh.
From the water to the warehouse, freshness redefined. From the water to the warehouse, freshness redefined.